Hey guys, it's me and I'm here with a very beginner friendly frontal install. Okay guys, I started out with a ball cap, but I didn't do the ball cap method. I just did a regular ball cap with some foundation on it and it worked perfectly fine. So after that, I kind of just spreaded Gots to Be glue, the gel, very thinly across in front of my ball cap. You can see right here. And then I'm just gonna wait for the Gots to Be glue to dry for a bit, but after it already dried a bit, I don't really like it too dry, I don't really like it too wet, kind of like in the middle, but once it's the consistency that I like, I just went and kind of fitted the cap onto my head. Okay, and to make the process a whole lot easier, I just combed out the baby hairs that I did beforehand. But if you don't have any, you can just comb out the hair that you would desire to be the baby hairs. And I just use the end of the comb as well as like the front of the comb to kind of like push the cap down, well, the lace down into the glue so it can stick a whole lot better. Okay, now after you're done all of that, you're just gonna take whatever you normally tie your edges down with and you're going to tie down the lace, like a little bit of lace that you have left over, as well as your edges. So that's what I'm doing right here. Now this next step I find to be the most annoying. We're going to like blow dry our hair for about 2 to 3 minutes. I did it for 2 because I honestly hated the feeling of heat being on my head, as you can see. Like my face does it all, to be honest. Okay, after you're done, you're going to take off your wrap and you're going to use the edge of the comb to make sure all of your baby hairs are out, because for the next step you don't want any flyaways, because it's going to look really, really terrible.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody's stealing covers.
Now you're going to take whatever edge controller gel that you like to use, but I'm going to be using the same Got to Be glue that I used to lay my lace down. So we're going to take some of that, just put a little thin liney line, and we're going to do our edges. Honestly, this part is up to you how you like to do your edges. If you don't want edges, that's totally fine. You can skip this step if you like. Okay, I know you guys can probably see the little ball cap peeking through on the side, but it's fine, especially with like a wig like this, like a curly wig. It's fine if you can see it. Just trust the process. Trust me, you're not gonna see it at the end. Okay, for this final step, I'm going to be using the spray version of the Got to Be Glow. And I'm spraying that on like the pesky spots that I saw, kind of lifting up like the edges and like at the front. Okay, now you're gonna tie it on your hair for the second time. And after you finish tying it down, you're going to take the blow dryer again and blow dry it for another about 2 to 3 minutes. I did it for another 2 minutes again. Okay, after I'm done blow drying, this is the part where I'm going to be styling my hair. So I'm going to be taking some water and just spraying my hair down, making it easier to detangle. And then after I sprayed it down, I'm going to add some leave-in conditioner. And then after the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to comb through all of my tangles.
All the details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I was right to play my part.
Okay, I know a lot of people would just leave it as is, but I'm gonna go in and add some curling mousse to make my curls more defined when they finally dry up. And then after, I'm just going to brush through them again.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do.
Okay, and finally, I'm going to blow dry it one last time. This is just a personal preference to make sure that everything is dried properly and laid down properly.
Okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it.
Now, this is the part where I just do my final touches, nothing too serious. This is where I just fix up my part, fix up my edges, fix any flyaways that I see, and that's about it. Okay, now here's the final product. I hope this helps anyone who is trying to get into wigs, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again.